This is a E41-15 laptop, and now I am showing you how to remove the keypad of this laptop. Please watch carefully. So you have to turn the laptop this way and remove both these screws, 1 and 2. And this is the new keypad what I bought. It's a brand new keypad. And even if you want to buy the keypad, you can click or follow the link in the description. I have put a link in the description wherein you can buy the laptop, or the laptop keypad. So just see how to replace the keypad. These are the two screws I have to remove. You can see I am removing these two screws. Sorry, wrong screw. This one and this one. So I removed two screws and then turn the laptop again, and very carefully you lift I am using this two-way screwdriver, which is a plus and a minus side. So I am using the minus side to remove the keypad. So just have to put the screwdriver, the minus side, inside and lift the keyboard with the another hand. Same way. And lift it. So this way you have lifted the keyboard. Next very important step is to remove this connector. To remove the connector, you just have to lift this clamp very slowly. So lifted the clamp and then pull the cable out. You pulled it. And while putting the keyboard also, slowly you have to put the new keyboard connector in the same and then press it like this. So this is the old keyboard. I am removing the old keyboard. So you can see you have to turn this like this, and I will show you, zoom in a bit. So the same way I have to press the keyboard connector inside and lock it like this. Now the keyboard is locked, and you have to press it like this, put inside the grooves, and then press the keyboard down. And then you have to lock the keyboard. Once the keyboard is locked, turn it other way around. turn it the other way around and put both the screws. You have to make sure you lock the keyboard properly. So then you have to put the screws. So you can see I put both the screws. So the keyboard fixing is ready. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. I put the link in the description to buy the new keypad. You can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. And anyways, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.